I say? It's Brandon? Hey, it's Brandon with GC Water. Run 3/8 tubing from the RO out on the RO unit to RO in on the storage tank. Run the unit connection cord from RO unit to the storage tank. Plug in the power cord to the formulation tank panel. Do not plug the unit into the wall outlet at this time. Install the A formula to the left side of the unit when facing the front. The location will be marked with a large A and have green tubing fed to it. Install the tubing into the fitting by fully inserting the tubing about a 1/2 inch into the fitting. Install the B formula to the right side of the unit when facing the front. The location will be marked with a large B and have blue tubing fed to it. Install the tubing into the fitting by fully inserting the tubing about a 1/2 inch to the fitting. To connect the pressure tank to the formulation tank, reference the diagram in the unit guide. The pressure tank does not need to be next to the formulation tank. It can be placed anywhere before the first point of use. Locate the tubing on the water out to your points of use. Cut the tubing where you would like the tank to be and insert the 1/2 inch equal T. Place the tank in a safe location. Teflon the top stem on the pressure tank and thread on the angled stop valve. Place the enlarger into the angled stop valve. Run the tubing from the 1/2 inch equal T to the enlarger. Make sure that the angled stop valve is in the on position. When it is on, the blue valve handle should run parallel to the tubing. Note, if the angled stop valve is left in the off position and the pump is turned on, it will overpressurize the pump and cause damage to the pump. Distribute out to your points of use from the form out fitting. The diagram on the POU connection layouts will show a typical point of use setup with the provided fittings from the installation hardware. Follow the startup instructions on the following pages to complete the installation. This completes the installation for the formulation tank. Please always refer to your user guide and keep an eye out for more videos to come.